Okay, welcome to Pod Show with your favorite host Andika Putra Febriansyah. Here in this podcast, in this show, we have a special guest. He is the famous content creator in Indonesia and has many followers. So, Mr. Jonathan. Okay, Jonathan, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, Jonathan. I have some questions for you. So, as a content creator, you must have experienced up and down.
Yes,
Can you tell us about a memorable moment you might share?
of course. So when I first create content, I have some problem. The problem is I have no target what I content what I post in Instagram. So for the first problem is I don't know what content I must post, and then the second is what target from Instagram it is.
Okay. Okay. As a content creator, how do you get lots of people interested in your content?
For the first, you must create content who the people want to see your content. For the example is if you are like football, you must create content about the football. It's like the score, highlight, and many more.
So, you make a content based on what people interest.
Yes.
Okay. So, how do you manage your account till now?
How I manage is for the first, I do create content. In one day, I create like 1 until 2 content. So I do it for last until now.
Okay, so the key of your account is you made the content consistent.
Yes.
So that's the key for the first time until now.
Yes, that's right. That's right.
Okay, as a content creator, how necessary or important to collaborate with other content creator?
I think it's very important to me because collaborate make you have more insight or view, and then you more get a friend from Instagram, so you can tell about what content you like, and then you have some idea from your content. I think that's very important to me.
Okay, collaborations is a give insights for your account to increase your followers. So that's the reason why you are famous right now.
Yeah, I think that's.
Okay, can you explain what content you are sharing now?
From now, for the first, I'm create a content in YouTube. For example, I create animation. If you know, like the anime from
Anime.
cartoon from Japan, I create content about that. So I think it's very famous from now.
Okay, you always share content about the anime, about the character or something like that.
Yes.
Okay, while creating content, have you ever experienced a decrease in followers and viewers?
Of course, I have degrees about our view, follower. Yeah, because sometimes the people can want more something new, I think. So for that, I was want to create some new content, and then searching about this content about like about the new movie, new information, and something like that.
Okay, what is your solution when you face that situation?
For the first, I searching about this content, and then why this content have degrees or view can see my content again. And then I try to manage my posting in Instagram like at 9 p.m. at 12 p.m. and something like that. So I think that's
Okay, when you face the situation, you always see the cause why this content is decrease the attention.
yes.
Okay, so and then can you give tips and tricks for viewers who watch this podcast for those who want to become content creators?
Yes. If you want to be a next content creator, you must know what you want create a content, and then second is you must create a content. What do you like? What I say before, if you like football, if you like basketball, and if you like a game, you can try create this content. And then third is you can find a friend who like in your same like you, especially like content what you create like anime or something like that. And then you must find collaborate what I said before. It can be increase your follower, viewer, and something like that. I think
Okay,
that's all.
to become a content creator, we must need like a few steps.
Yeah.
First, like collaboration with the others is important,
Yes.
and then you must decide what is the content that
do you like.
you like or do you want to share,
Yes.
because that's the key to make the
Your content.
interest. Is it true?
Yes, it's true.
Okay. Thank you, Jonathan, for
Yes.
sharing this content. So I hope that the people outside get insights, maybe if they want to be content creators.
Yeah.
Okay. See you in the next chance.